What happens if you or someone that you love is seriously injured or killed in a motorcycle crash? My name is John Degasperis. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in New York State. I represent injured people all across the state of New York. In this video, I'm going to discuss motorcycle litigation. I'm going to tell you what considerations that I think about when handling personal injury cases. I'm also going to discuss some of the common problems that arise in motorcycle litigation. And finally, I'm going to give you some advice as someone who is the loved one of a family member who is seriously injured or killed in a motorcycle crash. So motorcycle crashes inevitably result in very serious injuries or death, right? I mean, there's no steel roll bar, there's no seatbelt, and my experience tells me the injuries are bad. And so I'm typically dealing with a very serious situation. And so we need to take these cases especially seriously. We have to be diligent in our post-accident investigation. And that's one of the things that I always think about in a motorcycle crash. Where is the motorcycle now? Let's go secure it. Let's get it. Let's bring it back to the office. Where did it happen? We should have someone at the scene of the crash looking for factors on the road that may have caused or contributed to the cause of the crash. I also want to understand what happened after the impact. So if there was another vehicle involved, where did everything go? Where did the motorcycle land? Typically, when I'm getting hired for motorcycle crashes, I'm going to the hospital. So I'm usually meeting with the clients if they survive in the hospital setting, and then I'm usually meeting with them subsequently after some period of recovery in the office. So these cases require attention from the lawyer at the very outset, oftentimes private investigators, accident reconstructionists, and experts who can look at the motorcycle. So now when I'm handling motorcycle crashes, one of the most challenging aspects, honestly, is that there's never enough insurance, right? And that's because the motorcyclists underinsure themselves. So if you haven't been in a motorcycle crash yet, I recommend that you pause this video and go call your insurance company. Get yourself the best insurance money can buy. So let me be clear, what you want to get for yourself in terms of your motorcycle insurance is supplementary underinsured motorist coverage, okay? So this is a supplement to the other person's insurance, right? So if somebody who is poorly insured or not insured at all causes the crash, well, you don't want to rely on what they have. You want to be able to supplement through your own policy. So maximize that supplemental coverage. So here's some quick advice if you or a loved one was seriously injured or killed in a motorcycle crash. Secure the bike. Don't let the insurance company take the bike. Don't destroy the bike, keep it safe so that your lawyer can take it. And honestly, my other piece of advice is call a lawyer fast. I know that personal injury lawyers are always saying, call us now. Well, in this type of situation, I mean it. We need to get on the scene quickly. Call a lawyer, one who knows motorcycle crashes and how to handle them. So if you've been injured in a motorcycle crash or maybe a loved one, feel free to give me a call. Like I said, I represent injured New Yorkers all across the state. I've handled countless motorcycle cases. I would be glad to help you and your family if you find yourself in this unfortunate situation. My name again is John Degasperis. Feel free to give me a call.